Mr. Governor. I have another question about the Supreme Court and the trend that is forming with them actually being a lawmaking branch of government. My particular question is because they ruled on the Miller versus Alabama, where it's unconstitutional to sentence a juvenile, somebody that's under 18, to life in prison. I'm directly affected by this rule. My family, originally from Massachusetts, I have a sister that was murdered by a juvenile who is now immediately eligible for parole. So, as a prosecutor, how would you handle the Supreme Court and keep them from becoming a lawmaking branch? All they have to do is rule on it, like you said earlier.
Yeah. Listen, it's the hardest thing for a president to do because you try to make the best judgments you can up front about who you're appointing, but once you appoint them, they're there for life, and you have no recourse. So the best thing you can do is up front try to pick smart, common sense conservatives who have a track record of respecting their constitutional role, which is to interpret the law, not to make it. But there are no guarantees. And I can't guarantee as I'm sitting here that every person I appoint will do that, because it seems like sometimes they go up there and there must be something in the water. They start off okay, and then all of a sudden, I know what John Roberts was thinking on certain things, right? Who seemed to start off really well, and then all of a sudden, you remember when President George W. Bush picked John Roberts, it was universally hailed in the conservative community. They were over the moon that they were going to have this young, conservative Chief Justice who was going to be there for 30 or 40 years. And you didn't hear nary a complaint from anybody in the conservative world about John Roberts. Right? So George W. Bush probably sitting there going, yeah, got that one right. Feeling really good. And then all of a sudden, a couple of these decisions come out and you say to yourself, wow, what happened? So I think what I can say to you is the best you can do is to thoroughly vet these people, talk to them really closely, and instead of nominating people who don't have a paper trail, nominate ones who do.